Welcome back to the 2022 Holden vs Ford Championship. This is Heat 6. This is the last of the heats. Now, Macy, the scores right in front of us are telling the tale. Ford are right out in front in 103. What do you think Holden need to do to really level these scores out?
A wise man once told me, never ever go full bogan, but I think desperate times call for desperate measures, and I think Holden need to embrace this. Throw on the flannelette shirt, let out the mullet and drop that hammer. You've got nothing to lose. You're 23 points behind Ford at this point. Just get out there and do your best. Ford fans, they just want more of the same. More wins, more points.
Well, fingers crossed, mate, that Holden can pull through tonight. Let's have a look at our drivers and teams.
Car number 1 today for Holden is the yellow number 13 Commodore, being driven by Sir Nathan. Up next for Holden is Whitey Whitehouse. He's driving the number 2 Sharkbait Commodore.
First up for Team Ford is Demon Preacher in the XW GTHO Ford. Good luck, mate. And also driving for Team Ford is Arlo in the 55 Silver Red Ford Falcon. Good luck, teams. We'll see you at the end.
Let's cross over to the start line. The cars are ready to rock and roll. We'll see you after race number 4.
Another great race out of Heat 6 on Holden versus Ford. Here are your two teams heading off to the semi-finals. First up is Demon Preacher for Team Ford. Look at that, 3 4s and a 3, almost a perfect score. He comes out in 15 points. And also for Team Holden, thank you, Sir Nathan. You've given us 10 points and you come away with 3 wins and a 4th. Congratulations.
How good was it to see that GTHO doing laps around Mount Western Raceway today? As always, we have to say goodbye to a couple of drivers who never made it through. Let's put our hands together for Whitey Whitehouse in that number 2 Sharkbait Commodore, and also racing veteran Arlo in the number 55 Red and Silver Ford Falcon. We'll see you back here again soon, fellas. Keep on punching.
And no doubt the fastest time tonight is held by Team Ford, and that is Demon Preacher. Look at the time, a 12.8 flat. Well done, congratulations.
He was definitely throwing out some fast laps tonight. Let's go and check out the leaderboard. We see Ford extending their lead on 123, Holden lagging behind on 98 points.
I've got to say, Macy, it's going to be hard for Holden to hang on and really see them at the finish line or even close to Ford after this first lot of heats. But the semi-finals, you never know what that's going to throw up. Let's have a look at tonight's replays.
Well, race number 1, done and dusted. Demon Preacher in that GTHO Falcon led from start to finish. He was super quick and was also a thing of beauty. Holden couldn't catch him. They tried their best, couldn't do it. 4 points on the board for Ford.
Yeah, that's right, Macy. There's no way they're going to catch this GTHO Falcon. He is just super fast. Demon Preacher just, taking this track under control. And the handling, it's just a beautiful looking car, and it just really strikes nicely around this track.
Race number 4 was another early lead to the GTHO. I thought it was going to be 4 wins in a row to him, but Diecast racing veteran Arlo took over down the straight. He pinched the 4 points in race number 4. More points for Ford.
And once again, thank you to Macy from Aussie Diecast Racing. Go check out his channel, give him a thumbs up, give him a sub, leave a comment. He has some excellent racing right out of Tasmania, Australia. That's a wrap for tonight. Thanks again for our sponsor, Crabster, and our mechanic engineer on hand, Mark D from Cut Rock Racing. Until next time, we will catch you later.